Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today we are doing something very special. It's very popular in Ghana, okay, and it's very easy to do, and you can use it for your recipes, and it smells so good. All right, so I have some meat here. You can use any type of meat, mostly mutton, but you can use beef as well. So I have beef here. That's what I have here. The name of that is something called salted beef, okay, but we call it tolo beef in Ghana, okay, and you use it for a lot of recipes, and it's really delicious. So that's what we are doing today. It's a very simple recipe. So what I have here, before I salt my beef, okay, I have some spices here that I want to show you. I have some cloves, I have some grains of selim, I have black pepper, okay, I have some rosemary and some fennel seeds. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that into my grinder, okay, and I'm going to just grind it, not like really smoothly, but just a bit to release the flavors, and then I'll add it to the beef. It makes it smell really good. Okay, so I put that here, and then I'm going to just guys, this is the meat. Okay, as you can see, it's very dry. Okay, it's very dry. So what I've done here, I've patted it dry. Okay, you don't see any water. Okay, so I patted it dry. So what I am going to do here, I'm going to add my spices that I showed you. Okay. And the next bit I need to add is I'm adding some sea salt. So this is what is going to do the trick. It's going to extract the moisture from the meat, okay. So I'm using sea salt here, but you can use any other salt if you don't have any sea salt, but I prefer sea salt. So that is done. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to cover it and put it in a warm place. Okay, I'll give you updates. Okay, so I put it in a warm place. In 24 hours time I'll give you an update what it looks like. So guys, it's been 24 hours. I want to give you an update on the beef that you're trying to kill. Okay, it doesn't smell, it smells actually nice because of the spices. As you can see, what the salt has done is has just extracted the fluid from the meat. Okay, you know, we had it patted dry. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain this fluid, and then we'll try and dry it again and put it back. So guys, as you can see here, I've drained the water. I've patted it with tissue, so there's no water in it anymore. There's no fluid, sorry, in it. So what I'm going to do again, I just put a little bit of salt. There's a little bit of salt in there, and then I'm going to cover it again. I'm going to cover it again, okay, and put it away for another 24 hours, and I'll give you another update after 24 hours. So guys, it's been 48 hours in our beef curing process, so I just want to give you an update on it. Okay, so this is what we have here. It's really curing nicely. Okay, I have a bit of, you can see, just a bit of water There's fluids there, so I'm going to drain that. So guys, I've drained the water. Okay, so it's not really smelling because of the spices. It still smells good because you can really smell the spice. Okay, so to complete this curing process, I'm going to put that into my fridge for about 3 to 4 days, and then afterwards we can use it for a recipe. Okay, so guys, this is our cured beef, and it's called tolo beef in Ghana, and it doesn't really smell because of the spices used. I tell you, we are going to use this for, I'm going to use it for a lot of recipes, and I'm going to notify you. So you have to try this. Okay, try this. I'm going to put that in a Ziploc bag. Into the freezer it goes, and then when I need it, it comes out and I'll use it. So if you like this, you have to give me a thumbs up. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.